Prime Minister Modi concluded his two-day Bengal visit on Sunday. From the grounds of Singur, Prime Minister Modi not only promised a safe, secure and developed West Bengal to the citizens, but also inaugurated various development projects worth over 830 crore rupees. DD India's Deepika Mehto reports.
From the grounds of West Bengal Singur, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of infrastructure projects worth over 830 crore rupees in the ports, shipping, inland waterways and rail sector. Not only this, PM Modi also flagged off 3 new Amrit Bharat Express trains and 1 new passenger train service for the development and better connectivity of West Bengal. Addressing the people on the occasion, PM Modi said that these initiatives will make Hooghly a warehousing and trading hub, ensuring crores of investment, job opportunities to the youth, benefits to small traders and the opening of new markets for the farmers.
सीमलेस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन संभव हो सके, इसके लिए पोर्ट, नदी जलमार्ग, हाईवे और एयरपोर्ट्स इन सभी को आपस में कनेक्ट किया जा रहा है। इससे लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में लगने वाले टाइम दोनों में कमी आ रही है। साथियों, हमारी कोशिश ये भी है कि हमारे ट्रांसपोर्ट के माध्यम नेचर फ्रेंडली भी हो।
The localites of Singur, who came in large numbers to attend the public rally and to listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, expressed happiness on the initiative and said that this will hugely benefit the state.
He is thinking above many of us what we think, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता है और बहुत अच्छा है. Development is always good for us and for our country.
After talking about development and inaugurating various development-led projects for West Bengal, PM Modi addressed a public rally where he lashed out at the TMC government for increasing crime records in the state, violence and unprogressive state of Bengal. He also recalled the Singur incident and said that industrialists can only come here when there is better law and order situation. PM Modi said that once the BJP government comes to power, they will not only ensure good governance but also open new door of opportunities for the women, youth and the people of Bengal.
लेकिन यहाँ की टीएमसी सरकार केंद्र सरकार की योजनाओं को आप तक ठीक से पहुंचने ही नहीं देती। अगर इनको मोदी से परेशानी है, ये तो मैं समझ सकता हूं। इनको बीजेपी से दुश्मनी है, ये भी समझ में आता है। लेकिन टीएमसी तो बंगाल के लोगों से अपनी दुश्मनी निकाल रही है।
After listening to PM Modi's speech, the local residents of West Bengal and especially Singur said that they want BJP government only in the upcoming elections.
शिल्प यहाँ पे है ही नहीं, यहाँ का कुछ उन्नति नहीं हो रहा है। यहाँ पे टीएमसी रहेगा तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। हम बीजेपी सरकार को ही चाहते हैं। ভালো লেগেছে উনি এসেছেন, আমাদের অবস্থাটা বুঝতে পেরেছেন, এসেছেন এখানে অবস্থা বললো। এবার এই জমিটা একটু ঠিকঠাক হলে তো ঠিকই।
PM Modi's public address from the grounds of Singur, which once hosted the Tata industry, speaks volumes about the vision of the current government of India for the development of West Bengal.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi not only held an inauguration-led project here at West Bengal, but from the land of Singur, he made it clear that if West Bengal needs to progress, they have to identify the right government for themselves. With camera person Sunil, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from Singur, West Bengal.